Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Now let's start with Nasdaq. The weekly chart on Nasdaq weekly is very bearish. 20 EMA is way below 50 EMA, and right now 20 EMA is offering strong resistance. We try to rally up, and let's see where we close this weekly candle. We are right now around the 20 EMA. It's very strong resistance. So but if we can close above it, then probably we will get to the 50 EMA 12,625. Out of this W pattern, bottoming pattern, my price target is 12,550. I do think we will get there. It certainly looks bullish. We had this big green engulfing candle, so it's possible that we will continue this bull run. Let's have a quick look at the daily chart on Nasdaq and see if there's a message on the daily. So this is the daily chart. We came down, almost touched the 20-day EMA. It crossed the 50-day EMA with a golden cross. And no surprise, after the golden cross, we had a big green candle. And it seems to be a flag formation, form a bullish flag. If I don't look at the wick, so let's see where it closes. Just a quick measuring, because I love these formations. These formations have very good messages to me. So let's just look at the candles. So this is the pole. Let's see, let me put it right there. Here we go. This is the pole, and depending on where we close, we are probably going to the 200 EMA, 200 a day EMA, and hitting my price target 12,500, 12,540. 12,540 is my price target. Whatever we think is happening right now, this is where we will get eventually, I think. So that's very tradable for me. Let's go over to Sp500, daily chart on Sp500, and similar thing. I think we have a bullish candle. A bullish flag formation, and I can measure this here, measure the price target. Let's see just the bodies. We are just looking at the bodies. So of course we need to wait where this candle today closes, but this message is telling me that we will get to 4189, 4130, 4140. This area, it will offer some resistance. We might get there, have spent some time here, even have a pullback. But once we are, but more like it is telling me, this chart is telling me that we will get over it and eventually hit my very short-term price target. I want to look at the weekly. Yeah, 4180, 68 is, or could also be resistance. But once we hit my price target, I think we will not stop there. We will get to 4280, even to 4300, 4325 levels. Wow, it certainly looks bullish to me. 50 EMA on the weekly offers resistance. Right now we are above it. Let's see if we can close above it. That will also be a bullish sign for me. All right, now let's go over to Dow Jones. For Dow Jones, I've been bullish for quite some time, because Dow Jones was sending me a very clear message that, hey, we are going up and we are continuing this bull run. And Yeah, out of this head and shoulder pattern, we have a price target that I already shared with you. We are just above this resistance, and 45 400 is also resistance, but we are on, if I look at the chart, we are heading towards new all-time highs. The price target is 37,000. Yeah, 37,000. Looks very good. Now let's go over to Germany. German index, DAX. That's the weekly chart on the German index. And oh, look at these candles on the weekly. All these green candles, amazing. 14,600 offering resistance, as you can see, and 14,700 could offer a little resistance, but once we are above this area, then it's very likely that we continue this bull run. Next price target 14,950, and above there it's previous all-time high. I don't see too much resistance there. Let's just have a quick look at it. Maybe 15,000 used to be resistance, so let's see if it is still resistance for us. All right, let's go over to Japan. Nikkei seems to be very weak. This is the weekly chart on Nikkei. We came down, touched the 20 EMA on the weekly, but this could be a big bullish candle formation. Wow. Then we have great future for this. Once we break above 28 430, let me just measure this move, and then we will be very bullish on the Japanese index, because this could be a bullish flag formation right here. And let me just see. Of course, it will take weeks. It's a weekly chart. It will take weeks to get to my price target, but I'm really curious where we are heading. So depending on where we close this weekly candle, or if it's around here, then wow, we will get to 30,000. 30,160 is going to be my price target on the Japanese index. Wow, looks bright future. And finally, a quick look at the Russell. Russell is very interesting. This is the weekly chart on Russell. I see a W pattern. Now, in this W pattern, we need to get to 2000 levels and even break above 2000. If we break above 2000, then my price target is 2364. However, right now we are between the 50 and 20 EMA. We are still bearish on the weekly, so it's difficult for us to get above it. But once we close a weekly candle above 1896, then my price target is 2000. That's all for now. See you next time.